Hello students, now in this video we are going to know about the production of biogas. Okay, how the biogas is produced in different way and what are the role of the microbes in production of biogas. Okay, so first it is essential to know about the role of the microbes, that which microbes are useful in production of biogas. So you must have to remember the microbes which are useful in production of biogas. Those are categorized in uh, methanogens. Okay, methanogens, this is the category of the microbes which produces the biogas. So those all microbes are categorized in methanogens, and especially the name of the microbe that is used in production of biogas is methanobacterium. Okay, methanobacterium, and especially this bacteria is present in dung of the animals, like you can say like in gobar. Okay, this bacteria also be present in gobar, like dung of cattle, because this especially act on cellulose. Okay, because this methanobacterium acts on cellulose material. Okay, so because of action on cellulose material, this bacterium will produce the biogas, and this biogas, you know already, I have told you also yesterday, this biogas include H2S, hydrogen, and majorly the main component that present in high amount, that is called methane. Okay, that is more that's more amount is present in biogas. These are present in least amount. Okay, so the biogas that will have the different constitution, majorly the methane present in biogas. So remember here that biogas especially produced by action of microbes over the cellulose, by action of microbes on cellulose material. And the bacterium, methanobacterium, is also present in rumen of cattle. What is rumen here? The rumen is the part of stomach of grazing animals. To grazing animals, the stomach part is called rumen. The methanobacterium is present in a rumen. Okay, so this bacterium especially digests the cellulose, and this cellulose after digestion will produce the biogas. So this is about the biogas production in natural way, and the gas that is produced by gobar or dung of animals is called gobar gas. This gas also be called gobar gas. Okay, gobar gas, this is also be called gobar gas, because this is also produced by animal dung, like you can say dung is called gobar, and in this dung the bacterium especially present. The name of bacterium that is present is methanobacterium. Clear? This bacterium especially present in gobar and also in rumen of cattle. This bacterium also present in rumen of cattle. And what is rumen? This is part of stomach, part of stomach. Clear? So this is all about the description about the bacterium and also the function about the bacterium. But on large scale, how can we produce the biogas? Okay, so this is the plant that is used in production of biogas. Here we are describing that how the biogas is produced by biogas plant. So what happened in this plant, that this is the concrete structure, कंक्रीट की बनी हुई एक लार्ज वेसल होती है. ठीक है, कंक्रीट का बना हुआ एक बहुत बड़ा चैम्बर हम ले लेते हैं फ्लास्क के टाइप का, और उस फ्लास्क के टाइप में चैम्बर में द गैस होल्डर इज प्रेजेंट. दिस इज द गैस होल्डर लाइक दिस गैस होल्डर इज प्रेजेंट and the pipe is also be attached with this gas holder, and from one side the dung water यानी कि जो गोबर है उसको बहुत पतला करके या जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है डंग का वो यहाँ वन साइड में यहाँ डाल देते हैं. और after some time the action of bacteria itself will produce the biogas. As you know that in gobar या in animal dung the bacterium is present. तो after action of bacterium in gobar the gas will start to be produced, and after production of these gases the gas holder will start to rise up. Okay, वो gas holder ऊपर की ओर उठना स्टार्ट कर देगा, and the slurry that is formed after the production of biogas that is used as a fertilizer in field by the farmers. So question may be here that mostly the naming you have been asked to say in question paper कि you should have to require to name here. आपसे नेमिंग करने को कहा जाता है, डायग्राम आपका दे दिया जाता है, and also the use you have to say, you have to write there. Okay, आपसे जो इसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स के यूज़ हैं उनको आपको लिखना होता है. तो मस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस इज़ द साइट वेयर वी pour the dung water, and after some time the biogas will be produced, and that's why because of production of biogas, and this biogas will be produced after the action of methanobacterium that is present in gobar. Okay, methanobacterium के एक्शन से यहाँ पर गैस प्रोड्यूस हो जाएंगी, and after the reaction the slurry that is used in crop field in farming by the farmers as a fertilizer. Okay, so this is about the biogas plant. Okay, this is overall production of biogas, how the biogas is produced in biogas plant. Mostly जहाँ पर ये बहुत सारे विलेजेस इस तरह के हैं जहाँ पर इस तरह का बायोगैस प्लांट बना करके बायोगैस प्रोड्यूस भी की जाती है. छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी कभी कभी खेल खेल में इस तरह की चीज़ें एक छोटे स्केल पर भी बना लेते हैं, और अक्सर ऐसा देखा भी गया है. ठीक है, और स्पेशली खाड़ी विलेज एंड इंडस्ट्रीज़ कमीशन एंड IARI, these institute majorly play an important role in production of biogas. खाड़ी विलेज इंडस्ट्रीज़ कमीशन and इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट दैट इज़ सिचुएटेड इन दिल्ली. तो ये आपकी दो इंस्टीट्यूट हैं जिन्होंने सबसे पहले गाइडलाइन तैयार की कि हाउ द बायोगैस इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ बायोगैस. बायोगैस की जो यूज़ है दैट इज़ इन लाइटनिंग एंड ऑल्सो इन कुकिंग पर्पस. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बायोगैस प्रोडक्शन. ओके, तो यू शुड हैव टू रिमेंबर अबाउट द नेम ऑफ द बैक्टीरियम एंड लोकेशन, name of bacterium. Okay, the question mostly have been asked from there, the bacterium name and also the location of the bacteria where the bacterium is present, and also the use of biogas you must have to remember. Also I am recalling here again also. Okay, and also you must have to practice to draw this diagram, because mostly in diagram you have been asked to name the different part and also the use of these parts. Okay, what is the use of this part and also the use of this part, and also what does this part. Okay, so okay this is all about the production of biogas. Still if you have any confusion then you can discuss with me. Thank you.